Hey everybody, it's not a mailbag, it's a gift. This is something that was sent to me from fellow YouTuber Mr. Leamerz, and if you notice, par avion, it is from Canada. And so Mr. Leamerz is a YouTuber, has a channel, does a little bit of mailbag stuff, does a lot of audio stuff. Crazy smart guy. I just watched a video 2 nights ago about him talking about matching MOSFETs and stuff like that to make sure that you get the same audio characteristics from MOSFET to MOSFET. Just crazy smart stuff, crazy cool stuff. And he is in the IT world and offered to send me a package. And you may see on his channel that I sent him some Arduino parts when I heard that he was interested in getting into Arduino. So let me cut this thing open, make sure there's nothing private inside here, and I'll be right back. So this is the SG500X 24 port gigabit. So there's 24 gigabit networking, 10, 100, 1000 megabit network over here, as well as 4 of these 10 gigabit connectors. And then this thing is stackable and managed, which means that you could daisy chain a bunch of these together over here through this port. It also has management for things like VLAN. It's a layer 3 switch and all that stuff. This is an extremely generous gift. And Mr. Leamerz told me that this thing is brand new. And wow, I mean, this is a very expensive and very generous gift, and I very much appreciate it. For those of you who know a little bit about my office, it is across the yard from my house, probably 50 or 75 feet. And in Florida, we get a ton of lightning. So what my plan has been, I've got 2 things going on. One is right now I run Ubiquiti wireless dishes between my 2 buildings, and that's really good for Florida because of the fact that we have a lot of lightning. So you don't want a wired network connection between the 2 buildings. You'll be knocking out network equipment all the time. So what my plan is, though, because I need some IoT type access here and I need some stuff for my corporate, is that I want to have 2 completely isolated networks. And so what my plan is to run fiber optic cable, which wouldn't have any conductivity between the 2 buildings, to run fiber optic cable from my office to my house. And then I back up things in both buildings and all that kind of stuff. So I would have a trunk that would be for my business, and then a separate wireless trunk that would be for all of my IoT stuff. And so right now I'm limited to, I guess, I don't know, maybe 100, 120 gigabits or megabits between the house and this, but this is 10 gigabits. And so what my plan is to connect my server and NAS stuff via 10 gigabits and then do a 10 gigabit connection over to the house so I can do some stuff there and just basically move things lightning fast between the 2 buildings. And again, this is definitely not a need, but it is a very, very nice want. And so I'm not going to be hooking this thing up in this video right now, but first of all, I want to thank Mr. Leamerz for sending me this, and just encourage you to go check out his channel. And let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing how this project goes. It's going to be a decent project to get that trench across my yard and to begin the 10 gigabit network upgrade. I'm sure I'm going to be going to him for some advice on some of the fiber parts. So yeah, so anyway, thank you, Mr. Leamerz. And this is the SG500X 24 port gigabit switch with 4 port 10 gig. And hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.